Hello friends, I am back with Standard 1 Mathematics. Today we'll start with another topic, that is earlier and later. What is earlier? Earlier is something that you do before. Without that you cannot start. And later it is after. Okay, later it is after. So any activity you do, you have to complete it that first, and then that other activity follows. Now see, mama is making chapati. So what she'll do first? First she will roll the chapati. She will roll the chapati. Okay, then so earlier she will roll the chapati, and later she will roast it on the gas. This is called roasting. When mama puts the chapati on the gas, that is called roasting. Now for riding a bicycle, so what first you do? Wear helmet earlier, later ride bicycle. Ride bicycle. Okay, next, if I want to wear shoes and socks, so earlier wear socks and later wear shoes. So every activity has got two parts, what you have to do before and what you have to do after. Now see, this is a bud, this is a flower, but earlier it was a bud. So earlier it is a bud, and later it becomes a flower. See, it becomes a flower. Now if I want to write something in a notebook, so what is the first action that I'll do? I'll open up the notebook. So earlier, open the notebook, and later I will write. Suppose if you are having a bath, so first is earlier having bath and later drying yourself. Earlier take a bath and later you dry yourself. Can you dry yourself first and then have a bath? No. First, earlier you have to take a bath and later only you can dry yourself. Now, can I have my breakfast first and then do my toothbrush and then brush my teeth? No. So earlier you have to brush and later you can have breakfast. Okay. Now you are going to tell which activity is to be done first and which activity will be done later. Okay. Now switching off light and going off to sleep. These are two activities. So which will you do first? Will you go off to sleep first and then switch off the light? No. You are going to switch off light earlier and go off to sleep later. Okay. Now lock the door and go out. What you will do first? Go out of the house. First, what you will do? First, you will go out of the house. So, you are going to go out earlier and later you will lock the door. Okay. So, every activity has a sequence. Whatever you do has a sequence. First, you have to do that, and then now see this. Remove your spectacles, wash your face. So which activity you will do earlier and which you will do later? Yes, I am going to remove my spectacles first. So this is earlier and this is later. Wash your face later. So every activity. So what did we learn from this lesson? What did we learn from this lesson? We learned that every activity has a sequence. Every activity has a sequence and you have to do, if an option is given, every activity has a sequence, so you have to decide which you have to do first, and which activity is first, and which will follow. Now children, tell me, while I am wearing shoes and socks, so can I wear my shoes first and then put on socks? Is it correct? No, it's not correct. You have to first wear socks and then later you have to put on the shoes. So every activity has a sequence and it has to be done in a correct way. Okay. Now meet you in the next lesson children. Till then, goodbye.